my name is Michelle Walters. I am the owner of Island Glow, and I'm a makeup artist and a spray tan artist, and love to share different tips of what this industry is bringing to our clients and to all of our consumers out there. And I do want to first give a big shout out to a mentor of mine, Katie Quinn. You know, she's brilliant in this industry. She's also a makeup artist. She's also a spray tan artist. She's very successful in this business. And she just brings just some new edge cutting, learning, and tips to everyone. And she's a big inspiration. So I've always, as an entrepreneur, give credit where credit is due and give back to original ideas that we need to. And this is how we stay together and work together. Number one is women, and number two is entrepreneurs. And so these are some tips that I've been doing on myself and with my clients. I just never put it on a video. So anyway, I am going to teach you in different steps how to have fun with your self-tanners. Now, first of all, make sure you got a good self-tanner because they're just like foundations. One size does not fit all. You know, Island Glow makes its own body mousse. It's infused with coffee. It's amazing. It's dark chocolate, goes with every skin tone. As a makeup artist, why is that important to me? Because there are women out there with olive undertones, with pink undertones, with red undertones, with yellow undertones. You've got to pick the right self-tanner or it's always going to turn orange on you. So this is our great 10 minutes to tan body mousse. Love it. Then we have our gradual tanner, which is a little softer and it does tan you, but it's not so big and bold as our mousse. But I love this, and this is what we're going to use today. I'm going to teach you how to contour your face. Now we're going to just start on this video with a round face because I have a round face, and as a round face, my forehead and my cheeks and my jawline are all about the same in proportion. I don't like it. Anyone that knows me knows I love a contoured look to give me some definition of the cheeks and to give me lift and skinnier face. And I'm not a big fan of showing my whole forehead, so I'm gonna teach you what round faces need to do with their forehead to kind of shrink it. And if you're over 45, of course, we've got all this going on, so I wanna slim my cheek. Well, I don't have time for makeup every day. I'm too busy in the field working with clients, so I'm gonna teach you what to do with our gradual tanner. And this is, you only apply one time a week. Pick Sundays if you want and go at it, ladies. So with a little bit of our self-tanner, and then with a brush. So what you could use is you could use like a liquid foundation brush. I love the contour brush. Pick up any contour brush that you want to. I'm also gonna have handy dandy my beauty blender because everyone who knows me knows I love my beauty blender. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with a little bit of a self-tanner. I just kind of put this on this tray really quick, and I'm gonna dip a little bit of this in. Get a little bit, and watch this. When you're going to learn where to put your contouring, you're going to have you need to find your bone structures. So where your cheekbones are here. So this brush is laying right on my cheekbone, and you want to go a little bit at an angle, especially if you have a round face. If you roll this brush halfway down, you'll feel that it goes right underneath your cheekbone. Well, that's where your contouring goes. So I'm going to start with a little bit right there, and I'm going to blend right underneath my cheekbone. But here's the deal. Blend at an angle, and I'm only going to go as far as the ball of my bone. When I'm teaching makeup, I teach that bone structure is your blueprint. So you're gonna kind of just blend right back in this area. Now, you're gonna get a skinny brush so you can control this. Take your beauty blender and just kind of dot in a little bit. And that is gonna be with your gradual tanning lotion. Isn't that cool? Why are we going to do a tanning lotion? Because it's designed to actually paint your skin for like 7 days. And then when you wake up every morning, you have an instant tan, instant contouring. Now, fish faces don't always work because look, my fish face line will line up way underneath my bone. Well, I'm not trying to bring my cheeks all the way down. See? Look how we do that. Okay, now, for round foreheads, you want to bring the forehead in a little bit. Now, I only usually show this side of my forehead, so I'm going to take my brush, and I'm just going to lightly just kind of contour right up here along my hairline. And what's going to end up doing, it's going to actually push it all in. Well, I got to do the other side because I am going to go get my hair cut tomorrow, and we don't want to look uneven. Okay, and it's gonna tan that. Now, one thing that I don't like as I'm getting a little bit older is this. This is like not contoured anymore. So what you wanna do is you wanna be really careful and you wanna go right along, right near the ear or around this jaw line and shade down just a little bit. And it's gonna give that edgy kind of look. There you go. Now, I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 4 hours or so. You can sleep with it, but I wouldn't suggest it on your first one because you wanna make sure it looks very natural when you're all done. But I'm gonna take a washcloth, I'm gonna wipe it all off in about 4 hours, and then these areas are gonna be instantly tan. So that means I will have natural contouring like everyone else does all over. I'm so excited. So you can wake up tomorrow morning, go to the gym, you can go for a walk with your girlfriend, you can do whatever it is, go to the bus stop, and it still looks like you've got like this gorgeous makeup on because you contoured and you did it with a self-tanner. So go get your self-tanner, www.islandglowva.com, and order your gradual tanner, 8 ounces, or your body mousse, 4.2 ounces, and you're gonna love both of these. And give us a review, give us a shout out. You can share, you can post. Stay tuned because I'm gonna, every single week on Monday, I'm gonna teach you a different contouring of the body trick. Okay, so all you round faces, remember, you wanna put right underneath your cheekbone, you wanna put right along your forehead, and then right along this jawline. And look, I didn't even put any makeup on. I'm so excited. And then wash off in about 4 hours. So, and if you need a little bit more, pop a little bit more on, let it sit for another 4 hours until you get the color and the definition that works for you. All right, anyway, stay tuned, subscribe here for more. I'm gonna give you some quick under 10-minute makeup and self-tanning contouring tips all the time on this video. Okay, see you later, bye.